Assalamu alaikum, everybody. MG Dr. MGS here. And today we're going to talk about anatomy, specifically about the skeletal system. Even more specifically about what is the most important bone. So, without further ado, let's get started. What is the most important bone? Use the bold headings to help you understand the text. Notice that the names of bones are in italic type. If you don't know what is an italic word is like it's like it has a scientific name that's from Italy, and that does not look like any other words that we usually see in English. Okay, so let's start reading. What's the most important bone? The human body needs its bones. We need them to play soccer, to chew an apple, and to grab a pencil. An adult human body has quite a few bones. 206 to be exact. Which bone do you think is the most important? Is it the skull, the coccyx, the sternum, the ribs, the spine, the patella, the femur, the fibula, or the tibia? Let's find out. The spine. Your spine is made up of 26 smaller bones. These bones help you twist and bend. They hold your body so you can stand, sit, and walk. At the bottom of your spine is the coccyx. This is a very important bone. It gives you the power to pick up something heavy. It helps you balance so you can run, dance, skip, and walk. Surely the bones in the spine are the most important. The ribs. Life without ribs would be difficult. Here we have the ribs over here, and the spine that's like this column. So now we're talking about the ribs. Life without ribs would be difficult. The ribs surround the heart and lungs and other important parts of your insides. Most people have 12 pairs of ribs. Sternum holds the ribs in place. Here's a sternum. That's an important bone. The skull. Everyone needs a brain, right? Here's the skull. Without a brain, it will be impossible to think or speak. Your brain also controls your breathing and how your body breaks down food you eat. The skull protects the brain to keep it healthy. The skull also contains your jawbone. You need a jawbone to chew your food and open your mouth to drink. Here is our jawbone. So now let's head off to the next page. The hand bones, which are these in the diagram. The bones in your hand help you pick up objects, write your name, throw a ball, and hold a cell phone. If you play sports, you need your hands. If you want to type on a computer, hands are very important too. Your hands have 54 bones, and all of them work together. The leg and foot bones. These are these There are these bones, the leg and foot bones. Okay, moving on. Your leg bones hold up your body. These bones make it possible for you to run, stand, kick, and bend. The longest bone in your body is the femur. It is the leg bone above your knee. There are 52 bones in your ankles and feet. These bones are very important for standing and walking. Feet and toes make it possible for you to balance and stand upright. That's important. You might argue that one bone or another is the most important, but all of the bones have their purposes, and they're all important. We need all of them to enjoy a healthy, happy life. Okay, moving on to the questions. Questions 6 to 10. Choose the best answer to each question. 6. What is the main idea of this passage? A. The spine is the most important bone in the human body. B. In the human body, the ribs protect the hearts and lungs. C. All of the bones in the human body serve important purposes. Or D. An adult human has 206 bones in his or her body. Pause the video and think. What is the answer? Okay, off to the next question. 7. Look at the diagram. What two bones make up the leg below the knee? A. Spine and sternum. B. Ribs and skull. C. Femur and coccyx. Or D. Fibula and tibia. Here, I'll put the diagram here so you can solve it. Solved it yet? Okay, so now that you've paused the video and solved the question, let's move on to the other questions. Eight. Read this sentence. Without a brain, it would be impossible to think or speak. The word impossible means A. Not possible. B. Possible again. C. Very possible. Or D. Possible before. Pause the video and think about it. Okay, done? Great. Now let's move on to number 9. How are the skull and rib bones alike? A. They make it possible for the body to stand. B. They are both part of the spine. C. They both protect important parts of the body. Or D. They are both above the shoulders. Okay, moving on to question number 10. Which paragraph tells about bones in your head? A. The spine. B. The skull. C. The ribs. Or D. The hand bones. Who whispered that? It's me. I did whisper that, huh? Okay. So thanks so much for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Don't worry. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.